Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a new page in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Click on this website button below the website you want to add a new page in. Go to Pages. If you want your new page to be visible in your navigation menu here, click on this plus sign next to main navigation. If you want your new page to not be linked here, for example, a privacy policy page and also the terms and conditions page, you should click on this plus sign next to not linked. I want mine to be visible, so I will go with this plus icon. You can select your page type from here, for example, blank page. You can also use or create a page layouts, a scheduling page, a blog page, store, portfolio, events page, a videos page, or a course page. I will go with a blank page. Give your new page a name, for example, added page. Hit enter on your keyboard, and this is your newly added page. To edit it, click on this edit button from the top. Click on add section. You can add a blank section or pre-built sections like these ones from here. Let's add an image section, for example. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Make sure to click on this save button to not lose your editing. After that, exit this page to go into the preview mode. And this is how to add a new page in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.